Hi friends, today I am going to explain how to do threading operation on a lathe machine. Let's see. So before doing the threading operation, what is threading? So threading is nothing but producing helical grooves on a workpiece, on a cylindrical workpiece. Through producing a helical grooves throughout the circumference of the workpiece. So that screw should be in a uniform way. So coming to the experiment, first of all you have to take one workpiece. So that is made up of mild steel. The diameter is the 30 mm diameter, length 100 mm length. You have to take according to your wish. There is no problem. Now you can fix the workpiece in a 3J lathe check. You can fix the workpiece with the help of check key. Then you have to check the centering of the workpiece also. Then you have to take the one cutting tool that should be fixed on a tool post. So this is the cutting tool. So that should be fixed on a tool post. Before doing thread cutting operation, you have to do some sequence of operations like facing, turning, chamfering in the same way. Here I am doing plain turning operation for producing of threads. So before doing thread cutting operation, first of all you have to produce taper turning on a workpiece. You have to smooth the entire surface of the workpiece as smooth. So in this way you have to do plain turning operation before producing thread cutting operation on a workpiece. So in this way you have to produce plain turning operation until the workpiece reaches to the required shape and required diameter. So in this way you have to do plain turning operation on a given workpiece before doing thread cutting operation. So this is the output of plain turning operation. So now you have to reduce the speed of the particular spindle. So now the speed engaging levers are in 300 rpm. Let's see the speed of check. So this is the very high speed. Check rotates at high speed. So now you can reduce the speed of the check up to 70 rpm. So in this way you have to reduce the speed of the particular spindle before doing thread cutting operation. It is very important for producing of threads on a given workpiece. Reducing of speed is very important. So in Hall gate lathe machine, speed is engaged with the help of speed engaging levers. So whereas in cone pulley lathe machines we can adjust the speed with the help of we can reduce the speed with the help of back gear mechanism as well as tumbler gear mechanism. But here you can use speed engaging levers. For reducing and increasing of speed, you can use these levers. So this is the low speed. This is the low speed. So low speed increasing, white color increasing the low speed. This is the low speed. Whereas it is high speed. Red color increasing indicates the high speeds. So now I am placing the lever at 70 rpm. So before doing thread cutting operation, I adjust the speed at 70 rpm. You have to adjust the speed up to 115 also, no problem, according to your wish. So let's coming to the thread cutting operation. First contact the cutting tool with the workpiece at 0 position. We will see the 0 position on a cross feed handle. So in this way you have to adjust the cross feed handle, and this is the micrometer of cross feed handle. So you can adjust the micrometer at 0 mm. So when tool contact the workpiece, this is the 0 position. So now you have to increase the depth of cut with the help of micrometer, cross feed handle. So now slowly I am increasing the depth at 0.4 mm. Then you have to adjust pitch of the thread. So for producing pitch of the thread, you have to use this particular chart. So this chart, I'll show the levers. So these are the A, D lever, B, D lever, and AC lever, and BC lever. So coming to the lever, so these are the levers. So I am positioned the lever as A position as well as C position. If you want to change the lever position, as you wish. So now I am placing the lever as A, C and 4 as well as
4R.
R position. You will see the chart. So coming to A, C, coming to A and C. Then come to the levers. So this is 4, this is R. So come to this is 4 and R. Here I am producing the pitch on the pitch of the workpiece, pitch of the thread is AC 4R means 1.75 mm. The pitch of the thread is 1.75 mm. In this way, with the help of this particular chart, you can adjust the pitch of the workpiece. Or you can use the thread cutting calculations also. There is no problem. But here the pitch chart is provided. That's why I am using this pitch chart. Before doing the thread cutting operation, you have to run the lathe carriage automatically. You can move the you can give the feed of the particular operation automatically. So here the lathe carriage moves automatically when we are engaging the logging of lever with the off nut. So there is off nut is there. So that is the off nut. So that is the off nut. So you can engage the logging of lever. So this is the logging of lever. When we are engaging the logging of lever, there should be one off nut lever is there. That lever is called as off nut lever. Now we will see the off nut engagement and disengagement. Now we are engaging the logging of lever. So this, when we are engaging the logging of lever, there should be a movement of off nut lever in the same way. In the same way. So there is a movement of off nut lever. So in this way I am engaging the logging of lever with the lead screw. So this is the lead screw. So now we will see the operation of thread cutting. So this is the threading operation with 0.4 mm depth of cut. And pitch at 0.75 mm. After that, you can remove the cutting tool with the help of cross feed handle. Then you can move the cutting tool to the initial position. Cutting tool to the initial position. Then you can give the depth of cut. Now you can increase the depth of cut from 0.4 to 0.8 with the help of cross feed handle. This is the micrometer of the cross feed handle. In this way you can produce thread cutting operation on a given workpiece. If you don't have a pitch chart, you have to use thread cutting calculations. So this is the final. So this is the final output of. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment section. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Yours Polaya Chintada.